Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cindy and I am the budgeting nurse. Thank you so much for watching. Today I'm going to be stuffing my sinking funds, and I believe we have $898 here, but let's count it out. All right, so 1, 2, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 500, 20, 40, 60, 80, 600, 20, 40, 60, 80, 700, 20, 40, 60, 80, 800, 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98. So 898. I just want to apologize ahead, you guys. They are doing construction right outside of my house. The house, like 2 houses down, they're doing construction and it's super loud. So I just want to apologize if you guys can hear that. And I'm trying to speak a little louder. My voice, it's normally very soft, so I'm trying to speak very loud so that way, you know, I can maybe drown out them, or like so you guys can hear me. But I'm trying, you guys, I'm trying. And there was a few videos, you guys, where I was just like, I don't know, I felt like I was awkward, and that is only because my fiance was in the room. I feel weird when she's in the room and I'm recording, even though she like puts her headphones in and she really can't hear what I'm saying. It's just, I don't know, it's just awkward. So I am home alone today, so I don't know if you guys can tell the difference. I prefer to do things alone, I don't know. Even though she does like sometimes watch my videos, it still feels weird recording them in front of her. I don't know, it's weird. Okay, so we are gonna start off with my long-term sinking funds, and for this one, Sway is gonna be getting $40, so 20, 40. And he now has 100, 200, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 500, 20, 40, 60, 80, 600, 25, 26, 27, 28, 628. And I feel like this one's been growing a lot and I haven't really been pulling out of it. Car registration is fully funded, so that's gonna stay. Car insurance is going to be getting $100 today. And car insurance now has 500, 600, 700, 800, 20, 40, 60, 80, 900, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1,000, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. So 1175 is what car insurance now has. And I believe $25 more, and I'm gonna cap it out. And I'm so happy because I was so behind. I was like really trying to like put money in here because I wanted to get $1,200 by January. But as you guys can see, I am super ahead of schedule. Christmas has a 500, and that is because I've been doing my Christmas shopping, and little by little I've been taking out money. So Christmas is going to be getting $40. So Christmas now has $540. And honestly, I feel like I'm not going to spend all this, so whatever I don't spend is going to roll over to next year's Christmas. Vacation is going to be getting $50. So here's 20, 40, 45, and 50. So vacation's going to get 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. It has, oh my gosh. Vacation now has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 65, 70. So 170. All right, investing is going to be getting $40. So 20, 40, and I really need to take this out and take it to the bank because what is the point of having it in here if I want to invest it, right? So investing now has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 300, 20, 5, 10, 15, 20, 22. So 322. And yeah, I'm gonna take this out soon and take it to the bank. Home is going to be getting $28. So here's 20, 25, 26, 27, and 28. So home now has 100, 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83, 88, which is not in order, but what did I say? 188. Okay. Home now has 188. And this is only for when we do buy our house next year. This is like to furnish it or to buy anything that we need for the home. Although we really do have like most of the stuff here at this house where we're at. So a lot of the stuff that we're taking, we're basically not going to need much. I think the only thing we're really going to need is furniture. But yeah. Emergency fund is going to be getting $50. So here's 20, 40, 45, and 50. Emergency fund now has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So 240. And as you guys know, like I just unstuffed my 100 envelope challenge, and all of that went into my emergency fund type thing. Mostly savings, but I will use it as an emergency fund if I need to. This is just extra to, you know, try not to touch that if I don't have to, you know. All right, so month ahead is going to be getting $40, 20, 40. And month ahead now has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. So 170. And I'm hoping sometime next year I become 1 month ahead, and that would be nice. Okay, so this is my new savings envelope that I made. I'm not going to be stuffing it today, but it is a vellum savings envelope, and I do have these on my Etsy shop. This one I put it in here, but I'm not quite sure what I'm going to be using it for, but I just thought it was too cute to not use it. So there's my long-term binder, and I need to do an unstuffing. Look at this, you guys. You guys see that? I need to do an unstuffing. All right, on to my short-term binder. For car maintenance, I'm gonna put $60 in here. So here's 20, 40, 60. Car maintenance now has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94. All right. 194. And I think I'm going to be needing an oil change soon because, you guys, my job has been so short-staffed. I've been driving like hours away to see patients, and it's been taking a toll on my car. So I just got an oil change, I want to say like last month, and I'm going to need one pretty soon. But I signed up for this, so I'm not complaining. All right, supplies is going to get $20. So supplies now has 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96. I bought some supplies for my Etsy shop, so I'm going to be unstuffing this pretty soon. All right, couponing is going to get $40, and I did get me some coupons yesterday. So I'm going to be couponing soon. So couponing now has 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. $80. All right, laundry is gonna get $100. $100. Oh my god, I wish I had $100 just to throw out my laundry. It's gonna get $20, guys. I'm manifesting extra money, you guys. Okay, so laundry now has 20, 40, 60, 80. And I'm gonna go do laundry today. And probably gonna be taking about 40 bucks out of here. All right, Momo and Demon are gonna get $60. So 20, 40, 60. I need to get my cat neutered. I still haven't. I've been talking about it for like 6 months now and I haven't done it. So possibly January I will be doing that for him. We want to do it before we buy a house because he still sprays from time to time. And if you guys smelled cat spray, it stinks so bad. So yeah. All right, Momo and Demon now have 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90. So 290. And I believe it's like $400 to get him spayed. I don't know. I paid about $500 for my other cat, so I'm just trying to bulk that up. Giveaways is going to get $10. So giveaways now has 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, and 99. So I want to just say again, this is for when I reach 500 subscribers. The winner, or maybe few winners, I'm not sure if I'm going to do one or two, the winner or winners will be able to choose whether they want something off my Etsy shop equaling to this amount, or if they want the cash. So that's kind of nice that it's been bulking up. Buffer is not going to get anything. So, and then I have another envelope here, but I'm not sure what I'm going to use it for, but I just thought it was cute. I have this on my Etsy shop also. All right, so now on to my savings challenges. So, like I had said, I had finished my other savings challenges, you guys. So I only have the savings challenges that I wanted to do for next year. But since I finished them early, I figured why not start on these, you know, now, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start these two, which are the two ghost face challenges from Luna Saves, and I think I'm gonna put 150 on each one. So let's color in $150, and this one is actually very low denomination, so let's do 10, 20, 40, 50, 70. I'm gonna try to get the bigger ones out of the way. 70, 80, 90. 110. 130. Sorry, you guys. I'm trying to look to see which ones have the larger amounts. So what did I say that was? 130? 130. So let's do 130, 145, and 150. And as apparently many people, let's flip this. I also thought this was an envelope, and as I was watching her video, she addressed it that it's not, it's just a tracker. And I honestly didn't know, but so I bought it thinking it was an envelope, but that's okay. We could just use it as a tracker. So let's count how much we have. We have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, so 150. So I just made these clear envelopes for this. And we're just gonna add 150. So here's 120, 40, and 50. And I'm hoping that I will be able to finish these 2 challenges by the end of December. Do you guys think I can? There's one that's 1,000 and one that's 1,500. I think I can. I'm gonna try. So yeah, so let's do 150 on here. And this one has bigger denominations. Okay, let's do the bigger ones. So 40, 80, 100, into 140, and then 150. All right, so 150, and this one too, I just put a clear cash envelope here. So here's 1, 20, 40, and 50. Although, you know what I could do is I could use, where did I put it? I could use this one for both of them, right? I think that's what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna, instead of using 2 different envelopes, I'm just gonna use 1 envelope, and it's gonna be my savings challenge envelope. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. And then let me just affix this so that way one, 2, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 3. Okay, so yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do, just so I have it all in 1 envelope. But I am gonna try to finish these by the end of the year. So we are well on our way. I believe this is a $1,000 one because it's smaller denominations. We're well on our way to, I don't know, to seeing where we go with this. All right, you guys. So that is it for my video. If you guys have any questions, suggestions, please leave them down below. Please make sure to like and comment and subscribe. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.